Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at a 25th anniversary Bruce Lee video set and matching book by Will Johnson and Andrew Staton. Definitely worth picking up. You can get them very reasonable. And if you ain't got them, pick them up, people. Another overcast day in Nottingham today, I'm afraid. But there's always looking at Bruce items to cheer us up, so let's get on with it. Like I say, both these was bought out for the 25th anniversary of Bruce. We'll start with the videotape. 25th anniversary, limited edition, collector's box set. Bruce Lee, the man and the legend, special widescreen. You can get these really cheap. I think I paid about 11 quid a few years ago. Complete set, the video plays and everything. So you really can't go wrong with these. So you get this booklet, some postcards, and the video. Fantastic little set. Let's go through the postcards. Excellent. You say I'm friends with Will Johnson on Facebook, which I'm sure a lot of you Bruce collectors are. Lovely man. Did a fantastic job with these, with this accompanying book to this. Excellent. Here's the booklet. Fabulous little set this is. Very glossy if to watch the light, but definitely worth picking up. That fantastic. Very cool little set this is. So it comes in a great presentation box. You can get it really cheaply. Excellent, and it still plays perfect. I played it when I got it a while back. Here's the accompanying book with it. 100 pages this is, 25th anniversary. Excellent. This is very cool, this is. You say, Will Johnson, Andrew Staton. Excellent. You say you'll have to forgive me if I miss any, because you know how it is with one hand again. But this really is a fantastic book. And I recommend you to pick up both these items because you can get them relatively inexpensive, and they're very cool. Great quality as well. Bit of Kato action. So must buy, these two are in my book. Excellent. Absolutely fabulous book this is. It deserved the hardback treatment, this one did. It's very, very cool. Very cool. Yeah, it's one of my favourites. This is, I think, it's an excellent book magazine. So, this is the only trouble. Like I say, when you use it in one hand, they flip back on each other. Through all the biographies, and it's excellent, really well put together book. I love this. Bruce on video, you see, excellent. Yes, I can highly recommend you to pick that up. Say, Johnson and Andrew Staton, and the box set, the postcards, excellent display piece, and the still play if you've got a video, which I have. So have a great day, Bruce collectors, and join me very shortly for some more fantastic items on the main man, Bruce Lee, the king of Kung Fu. Have a great day, and remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!